Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to get or give Shopify Collaborator access. The first thing you need to do is go to your Shopify admin dashboard at shopify.com/admin. Use your credentials to log in. Now on the bottom left of the dashboard, click Settings. In the Settings panel, select Users and Permissions. Click the Add Staff button to create a new staff member account. Enter the staff's member name and email address, then select the permissions the staff member needs. For full access, click Select All, or manually choose specific permissions like orders, products, or reports. Now, click Send Invite. The staff member will receive an email invite to accept and create their account. You will receive a notification once they accept. Invitations expire in 7 days. Follow up if needed. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.